Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Learned Council for the respondent number 2 submits that result of the candidates for the states of Punjab and Haryana, who have taken the computer proficiency test, has been prepared in such a manner that separate lists have been prepared for 2 states, full stop. Similarly, in respect of the candidates who have taken the English shorthand test, list shall be prepared separately and common candidates shall be considered in the merit list to be prepared separately for both the states, thereby taking care of the apprehension of the petitioners that competition would be amongst unequals, full stop. The same shall be confined amongst the candidates who have applied under the said advertisement in the particular state, full stop, para. Learned Council for the respondent number 2, further refutes the argument regarding minimization of chances of the petitioners while submitting that stenography is a skill which clearly requires long continuous practice, full stop. Therefore, the contention that there is deprivation of a chance, leading to any prejudice to the petitioners is denied, full stop, para. In respect to CWP numbers 3246, 3400 and 3668 of 2022, it is submitted that these writ petitions should be dismissed at the very outset, being not maintainable as they have been filed by candidates who have been unsuccessful in the selection process after due participation, full stop. It is thus prayed that all the writ petitions be dismissed, being devoid of any merit, full stop, para. I have heard Learned Council for the parties and have gone through the files with their able assistance. Admittedly, 2 advertisements of even date, that is 17/8/2021, were issued for inviting applications for the posts of stenographer grade 3rd in the subordinate courts of Haryana and Punjab, full stop. Qualification for the post in the state of Haryana reads as under, full stop. The applicant should possess a degree of Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Science or equivalent thereto from a recognized university and must be proficiency in operation of computers word processing and spreadsheets, full stop, para. He/she should have passed matriculation examination with Hindi as one of the subject, full stop. Candidates who have not passed matriculation with Hindi as one of the subject can apply, however, they would be required to pass the same within the probation period, if selected, failing which their appointment shall stand cancelled, full stop. The applicant, who possesses degree of graduation for any stream, that is arts, commerce, science or computer is eligible, full stop, para. The applicant should possess a degree of Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Science or equivalent thereto from a recognized university and must have proficiency in operation of computers word processing and spreadsheets, full stop, para. He/she should have passed matriculation examination with Punjabi as one of the compulsory subject or any other equivalent examination in Punjabi language, full stop. Candidates who have not passed matriculation with Punjabi as one of the compulsory or elective subject or any other equivalent examination in Punjabi language at matriculation level can only apply, however, they would be required to pass the same within the probation period, if selected, failing which their appointment shall stand cancelled. Full stop. Over.